I assume we are all very, very new to Power BI. We'll start from the scratch. And in our classes, we'll be having good amount of concepts. In fact, it's a bit vast. Purpose of Power BI to report either data, warehouse data, the end product of data engineers, OLTP data, end product of developers. Okay, this is a SQL developer job role. Okay, or you may even report the data from regular non-database sources, part of our classes like websites, apps, files, so on. Okay, now here it is. In our classes, we need to learn how to work with various formats of data. We need to work with various types of reports. So need your support. Things are a bit vast, and first few classes we'll be learning about 20 concepts. Before we step into what is Power BI, let's get the overview. We are going to learn 20 concepts on basics of Power BI, and we need to learn few scenarios as well. We should be clear with various concepts and scenarios. You'll be actively taking part in the scenarios also. You have examples for every scenario. Yes, things are a bit vast. After we learn all concepts, basic ingredient concepts, drag and drop concepts, then comes number game, Power Query. We have 50 examples in Power Query. 50. That is the minimal base. I think my document is troubling me. I'll put this way. 50 examples on Power Query. And minimum, again, that's minimum. You respond more. You are actively participating in the interactive class. You ask me more questions. We get more clarifications. On-time assignment submissions, because assignments every class. Every class we have minimum one assignment file. You actively submit, respect your time. By weekend, you'll submit all your assignments. You do more, I do more, we get more together. After 50 examples of Power Query, again another number game cloud, another 50 examples, 50. Power BI cloud, dashboards, something called operations, etc. Actions, operations, alerts, and so on with gateway and apps, lineage, cross filter, so on. Good number of concepts, another number game, 50 items. So first module visualization, second module Power Query, third module cloud, fourth module we have DAX, another 50 examples, 50. By the time we come to DAX, please revise MS SQL concepts. By the time we come to DAX, kindly revise MS SQL concepts. Please, my kind request. After the class today, I request you to download the course curriculum from our website. Revise MS SQL activities. Our course is into Power BI from tomorrow. Let's understand more about Power BI. We'll go for questions, clarifications. Before that, let's introduce ourselves to Power BI first. Next 10 minutes, we understand what is Power BI. Then we go for questions. After that, we need to slowly start our installation today. From tomorrow, we'll start our practice. Let's get started slowly. Please confirm. We are all very new to Power BI. We'll start from the scratch. Please confirm. Yes, I'll wait, please. Please confirm. Yes, everyone, please, I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Yep. Let's get started. I got the answer now. Let's get started. Thank you, at least have been responsive. Really appreciate. Others, please understand. Let's respond each other. Let's respond to the questions. I asked you a question, you respond. You ask me a question, I respond. Please help me. Please help me. Let's go together. Let's get started now. More we respond, more we get. Let me put this way. We'll be having weekend workshops. Not for everyone, no. Only for responsive attendees who love my classes. Not responding means fine. You're paying for the course, you get the course, you are done, right? Same thing. Mom, biryani is very tasty. Okay, Bobby, please put this leg piece. No, leave it, leave it. No, that thigh piece. No, you put this leg piece, put the liver piece. Okay, mommy, biryani is okay. Then what she will say? Okay, Bobby, eat whatever you can. Remaining, leave it. I'll take care. Feelings are important. Let's respond carefully. This is Sai Panindra from SQL School. I love my subject, and you'll see my involvement there. Need your support. Things are a bit vast. Things are a bit vast in our Power BI classes. Let's make it useful. Let's make it useful. It's a chemistry class. We are going to enjoy drag and drop in Power BI first few classes. But Power BI has a lot more to offer us. Scripting. That is more important for us now, for our job requirement. Easy scripting. We are going to use AI within Power BI. Again, external AI tools, our company may not agree for it. Within Power BI, we have AI components. We need to understand how to use them as well. Things are straightforward. Why we use AI then? For scripting activities, auto generating the scripts. Things are made super easy by Microsoft. Let's get started now. What exactly Power BI means? Power BI is an environment. Power BI is a suite of tools. Remember, it's a suite of tools. 7 design tools we need to learn in our classes. Perform big data analytics. I repeat, 7 tools we need to learn in Power BI technology. We have something called dashboards. What is this? Report is the recipe. Dashboard is the platter. As simple as that. Yes, I repeat again the definition. Report is the actual recipe. Dashboard is a platter. So dashboard includes items from various reports in a single plate, single link, single app we call Power BI app is what we need to learn in our next classes one by one. So data can be sourced from either source files, apps, websites, OLTP databases, data warehouse databases, anywhere, everywhere, single reporting component, Power BI, the ultimate analytic tool. I said 7 tools on my screen. Majority uses in companies, enterprises would be 1, 2, 3, majority. But there might be few cases where we may need to use 4 and 5 also. 6 very, very rarely used because of other alternatives. We need to learn all, but focus more on 1, 2, 3. We need to also focus on 4 and 5, but project work would be on 1, 2, 3, 90%, 10% on 4 and 5, the project for our classes. And our requirement, we need to touch base with multiple sources like non-database sources, left, database sources, right. Design reports. What next? Either serve it through cloud to the end users or host them within your company's report server on premises, we call non-cloud. So cloud and non-cloud data centers. In our classes, we need to learn how to integrate cloud components wherever required. Meaningful, easy, straightforward concepts. We'll begin our journey from data source. Next class tomorrow. Today we'll do installations. Tomorrow we'll start data source. And we need to work with various data sources. So in our classes, we have 20 plus types of data sources. Right from CSV to AVRO, PDF, Excel, Parquet files, JSON files, HTML, XML, DAT files, etc., including big data sources. There is a dedicated chapter only for big data sources. We'll understand slowly, step by step, how easily we can extract the data, gather the data, load it into Power BI, and design beautiful dashboards like this. So Power BI is cheaper, easier, very user friendly, and faster reporting activities. So whatever concepts we learn from today will be useful for data engineers, data analysts, business analysts, developers, data scientists. Let's understand now how to proceed for installation of the tool to start our classes. In our journey, we need to learn slowly, technically, how Power BI is much far better and different from other reporting environments. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Need your support. On-time practice required. Kindly revise MS SQL concepts. Our course is right side, the main course for our resume. The starter SQL. Get it carefully. Basics are required. For Power BI, we need schemas, constraints, joins, procedure basics. And if we have transactions, that's really good. Additionally, we also need Excel integrations, group by concepts. Revise them. These items are important for Power BI. Data types, no problem, because Power Query has its own data types. DAX have its own data types, two different components. Excel imports, no problem, because here we have alternatives. Procedures we need, basics, because we need to play with something called Power Query parameters, DAX variables, dynamic connections, dynamic data, dynamic connections, different examples. So revise MS SQL concepts carefully to understand and easily implement the project. You will start the project from 7th session of the course. First 6 sessions, we are going to learn all fundamentals, visualizations. From 7th session, we need to start the big data access, Power Query activity, 6th and 7th. So day 1 to day 6, we'll take all the fundamentals. Then comes Power Query, then Cloud, then DAX. One by one, we are going to learn. Attendees who are into data analyst, we have Python separately anyway. Next, with this small introduction, let's understand now more about the details of Power BI, and then we go for questions clarifications. Let's go to our notes to start from the scratch. Here it is. You'll be receiving the print copies of the notes. You'll receive the soft copies, of course. Please take print copies of these Word documents in advance. Our team shall take care of it. We shall provide you a drive link, Google Drive link. Please download the notes module wise. Take print copies. Write your observation notes, pencil or pen, whatever, on your printed copy notes, like for understanding, underlining, marking, whatever. To make sure we are attentive, we are involved. Need your support. If used correctly, this online training would be the best, far, far better than in-house classroom. Trust me, it is true. We can feel those advantages. Every day after the class, you'll WhatsApp me your observation notes. By end of the week, you'll be submitting all your day-wise or chapter-wise assignments. First concept FAQ, second concept FAQs, third concept FAQs. For every concept, you have interview questions. You will answer them. Few questions are outside the notes, but answers will be within the notes only. Every day throughout the course, you have assignments for every concept. So please, let's get the best. What is reporting? A mechanism to access and represent any type of data to the end users. Power BI, a set of free tools to design the reports with end-to-end implementations. Various data sources. We read them, validate, report, and share. Design the reports for easy end user access. What are the job roles? Job roles: access data, design reports, data modeling activities. I was telling something called Power Query. What is that? ETL platform, DAX, data analysis expression language. Mainly to make it clear, I'll say for dynamic reports and calculations. Finally, we design the reports and dashboards. Apps, implement something called row level security. Observe carefully. I repeat, we access data, get data to Power Query, close and apply. From there we go for visualizations. From visualizations we need to publish the reports to cloud or to dashboard. Cloud or report server we call it. No worries, we'll take them slowly step by step. I repeat again, what we do: access data, design report if it is correctly nicely formatted. If not, get it to the kitchen area, Power Query, slice it, dice it, clean it, and then actual recipe report. Then dashboards, end user plate, either takeaway or dine in. Cloud, takeaway, or dine in report server within your company's network. We need to learn and implement both practically. So whatever examples we do, I need to keep in mind data analyst job roles, developer, business analyst, data science, and data engineer job roles. Yes, Power BI has that caliber. Power BI is a great component. It has nice AI, ML, machine learning, and big data technologies. The nice features are there in Power BI. I'll show you. Next, in our classes, and here are the certification numbers for the above job roles. 3 certification numbers, DP 600 now, and the training plan. We'll slowly start with Power BI desktop. If they're all free tools, Power BI desktop, a free tool we are going to install today, next few minutes. We are going to work with this tool for few examples. Then slowly understand the need for remaining. Once we complete all the design part, then we'll move on to production, live part. There is something called gateway for data refresh activities. If data gets modified at the source, gateway will automatically track the change and load it to the cloud. So keeping in mind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, skipping 8, 9 installations, we need Windows 8 or higher. Number 8 cloud, no installations required. But remaining installations, Windows or higher required. Windows 8 or higher required. 64-bit, 6 GB RAM. Course includes complete notes, material, I will take care. Certification, guidance, I will take care. But please, my kind request, on-time practice. Next, final slide before we go for questions. Participants going for data analysts. Participants going for data analysts in case. For data analysts, of course, apart from Power BI, we also need Python. But Python is not a prerequisite for our Power BI classes. For data analyst job role, it is required. Next, in case you're planning for it. So attention to data analyst, Power BI for them. Python plus Power BI integration separate classes will be conducted. Apart from this regular course, we have them separately. I'm talking about data analysts, okay? In case this one on my screen. SQL, Power BI, Python with Excel integrations is a data analyst. Same way, someone is into data engineering, In such a case, again, separate classes will be conducted for data engineering with Power BI combo separately. Choice is yours. And same way again, Power BI with Fabric. They are interrelated to each other. Power BI is a common cream, but we have Azure data engineering, Fabric, backend activities, Python analytic activities. So separate classes based on your profile. So you need to let us know why you are learning Power BI. Is it for data analysts job role, data engineer job role, BI developer job role, or data science job role? We need to practically understand how to use or integrate Power BI with respective component from your resume. That information will be collecting upon your approval. We'll be taking it after few more classes, mostly by mid of next week, because you need to start the project work accordingly. So it's not the same project for everyone. No, project and our resume should match. We'll do it slowly, step by step. With this, let's go for questions. Let's go for questions now. And before we proceed for questions, one final screen here. This is what we are learning. What is Power BI? What are the tools involved in Power BI? The techniques, hosting, and we are going to start with report design next. Any questions, let me know, please. We'll slowly step into installation next activity. I'll wait. Questions, please. I'll wait. Mic with everyone, please. I'll wait. Any questions, please? I'll stay back.
Hello. Hello.
Tell me, sir. Please
SQL
tell me.
Power BI,
Yep.
okay? Only Power BI getting job, sir.
Only Power BI, yes, you can. But make sure like you are having good knowledge on MS SQL as well, sir. MS SQL plus Power BI, it works. It works.
It is
For
okay.
freshers, yes.
For the PL 300 preparation, are you providing resource only or a guiding tool as well?
I'll guide you for it, sir. Part of the course, complete certification material, mock certifications, and the guidance. Yes, part of the course. Complete guidance, part of the course. We'll do. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine. Next.
So, for
How many hours you can?
SQL,
Sorry, Biruk. Please tell me again. Varun.
yeah, for SQL, I've heard Microsoft has stopped the certification. So having the BI certification PL 300, would that be okay to have it with the SQL learning experience we have for the job market, or how does it work without having a certification from Microsoft for the SQL part that we learned last
It's
couple of
recommended to have
weeks?
certification on SQL also. Recommended.
Yeah, the Microsoft stopped the
Yes.
certification from what I've heard,
Exactly.
right?
Yes. Yes. So recommended to have the certification as well. Safe. Better.
As what? I'm sorry, you breaking up.
Can you hear me now, please? I'll wait.
Yes,
I'll
recommended.
mute.
They
Yes,
recommended
I
what?
recommend. I recommend it. Good to have it. Yes.
The SQL certification.
Exactly. You are right. Recommended. Yes.
But Microsoft stopped the certification program. Am I correct?
You are right. Exactly. It's recommended to have it as well. Recommended.
When do we
Next,
get the certification if Microsoft stopped it?
it started already. Recommended as a certification, sir. Part of our MS SQL classes. We have separate course for it. Okay, Biruk, we have a separate course only for MS SQL certification. Let's take it separately. We are into Power BI today. Let's continue Power BI today. We'll do. Next, friends, my question. How many hours you can practice per day, everyone, please? Minimum 1 hour, please. Please confirm. I'll wait. Please, minimum 1 hour. Please confirm. Please, I'll wait. Mic with
Yes,
everybody.
madam.
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Sir, I have one question.
Email sent. Devendra, please tell me, brother. Proceed, please tell me.
Sir, you told about Python for data analytics and for data science, AI, ML, and the GNAS kind of stuff. So next ahead, are we going to complete? Uh, I mean, complete in the detail we will learn that, or just is a high level overview of that to connect with the Power
Sir,
BI?
like whichever course you opt for, sir, you have that course with Power BI. If you are joining Power BI, we'll do Power BI. If you're joining Python also, data list course, you have Python with Power BI extensions there. That's how it. Whichever
Okay,
course
I
you're
mean,
enrolling.
in the separate course, we will have detailed knowledge on that, right? I mean, detailed discussion on that.
Exactly. Separate course all. Kala karte.
Okay,
I'm saying
all right.
whatever Power BI we are learning here will be useful for engineers, developers, analysts, and data scientists. Okay.
Mhm.
Yep. Whichever course you're opting.
Sure. Yeah, thanks.
I
Yep.
have
Next
question.
question. Yes, madam.
Yeah,
Please tell me.
yeah. Do we need any prior like coding experience or
No,
only
not at
SQL
all.
experience?
Only
Okay,
SQL basics should be enough, madam.
okay.
No prior coding experience required. Not at all required.
If we need like Python, then you will tell the coding thing something.
If you are into data analyst, you need to learn Python anyway separately. We have to, yeah, a
Okay,
separate one. From
okay,
core Power BI perspective to get into Power BI, no coding experience required. It's all about database and non-database access. So non-database access, SQL not required. OLTP and data warehouse access, SQL required. That's it. Nothing else.
like
Are
any
you,
ETL tools like that one.
ETL tools are required for BI developers and data engineers, madam. For
Okay,
data analysts, that is optional. Recommended but optional.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Next question, please. Fine. Thank you.
Well,
Please be responsive. One email sent just now that includes today's class notes, installation link, and the notes for tomorrow. Please take print copies of the Word documents sent today. Whatever your total 3 attachments. Let's get started now. Let's get started slowly. How to do the installation? Please be responsive for my questions. I was asking question, how many hours you can practice per day? Non-technical question, right? I expected your answer. I got the answer. And to those responsive attendees, notes sent. Others, they will respond. They'll give a commitment. Yes, I will practice on time. Submit assignments by weekend. Then they get it. We'll start now. Let's understand installation. Next round of questions after installation, we'll do slowly. As I was telling right from the beginning, let's be responsive. Let's be interactive. Then we are good to proceed. Let's get started. What is reporting? Very simple. Mechanism to access and present any type of data. It is a set of tools for end-to-end reporting. But how to install it? This one, okay? We're installing number 1 today. Number 1 we're installing now. You'll do it after the class before tomorrow's session, please. How to get this? Very simple. Windows 8 or higher OS required. Okay, we're all very new. Let's learn slowly, step by step. Firstly, go to this website. I already included this in the email. You'll verify your mails in next 3 to 5 minutes. Let me show you the installation process. You'll do the same before attending tomorrow's class. Download, click on download, and you click on this download link. There are two files, 32-bit, 64-bit. Choose 64-bit, download. Let's wait. Once it is downloaded, it may take a while. Once it is downloaded, then we need to start the installation. I already got it downloaded and I'll take you there. I said Power BI has multiple tools, right? Here it is. I'll show you. These are all Power BI installations we need to do in our classes. That's the reason we need Windows 8 or higher. We are at the first one, Power BI Desktop X64. Next, it's already there with me. I just want to drive you through the installation process. Something like this, okay? Just download, double click, start the installation. Once your installation is complete, it will ask you to restart your computer. Why we are doing this one? What's the purpose of this? Let's see. Main purpose of this Power BI desktop tool, main purpose to design reports. What reports? Yes, there is something called interactive reports. We are going to design something called interactive reports. What does it mean? Interactive reports. Assume, for example, you go to your Facebook or LinkedIn. I'll take you with an example here. What we are learning, how to install a tool. Tool name, Power BI Desktop, remember. Let's wait for a few moments. Still taking me to the LinkedIn profile because my installation is going at the background. Let's wait. Yes, let's go. Here it is. I'll take you to my feed, okay? I'll take you to my feeds, LinkedIn feeds. What we are learning, we are understanding something called interactive report. What is interactive report? Let's see. Sorry to make you wait, taking some time. My installation is causing some delay. Let me quickly close all my other unused applications. I could see my Oracle, Microsoft, both are running in parallel. I'll quickly close the other applications. Another 10 seconds, please. Bear with me. Another 10 seconds, please. Wait. Yes, done. Here it is, friends. For example, what is it? Interactive reports, right? Let's take an example like this. This is how we are going to create parameters in Power BI. What are these parameters? So keeping in mind parameters concept, I was requesting you to revise MS SQL procedure basics. And main purpose of interactive report, see here, you hover the mouse, you get some calculations, right? Percentages like this. These are called interactive reports. The kind of reports where we hover the mouse, we get the calculations. Those calculations are handled by DAX. Reports visualization, extracting data from the backend, database, file, etc. Power Query. I repeat again. Please have a look at this screen. Here it is. We extract data using Power Query and design the reports. Once we design the reports, then we apply DAX. Like this. Power Query first, DAX next, in this way. Next. My installation is almost done. Once your desktop installation complete, what we need to do? Read data from various data sources. From tomorrow, we're going to start the practice. For today, please refer to the first document. Install the software from the second document you received on email today. Need your support. Things are a bit vast. Let's be interactive. We will be having interactive, active participants in the class. So I am sure I can guarantee useful classes. We'll stop for now. Thank you so much, and we'll start practicing the things from tomorrow from scratch, right from the basics. We'll do one by one. Thank you. Any questions, please? I'll stay back.
Yep. Sai,